Hello everyone, this is DM2300. It is a 2000 Toyota Windom 2.5G. This vehicle is mechanically good to go. Aesthetically, it looks beautiful as well. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. We'd love to send you pictures or video, whatever you'd like to see. It's actually a dark green color. It looks black for the most part, but it does have some green metallic in there. I definitely should have pulled this forward a little further. This one does have tan leather interior. Also has some really cool floor mats. Oh, this is the one that's screwed down. But yeah, spare under there. Looks like the tools are there as well. This is the 2MZ FE engine. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions or if you'd like to see anything specific, please let us know. If you would like to like this video, we would like that. And then if you would like to subscribe, you'll get notifications for every new car that we list on our website. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.